time to move forward and start our discussion with rounding to the nearest hundreds and thousands. So learners, have you ever wondered how many people can sit in a cricket stadium, say Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai? Well, the sitting capacity of Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai is approximately 33,000. The seating capacity is just an estimate of the number of people. It may be less than 33,000, say 32,600, or more than 33,000, say 33,285. But it can certainly be not 50,000. Let us understand rounding to the nearest hundred and the nearest thousand by taking an example. You visit a zoo called a Safari Park. There are 271 animals in the zoo. Can you round the number of animals to the nearest hundred? Let us recall the steps we follow to round numbers to the nearest 10. The first step was to list the multiples of 10 between which the given number lies. Now, as we are rounding to the nearest hundred, we list the nearest multipliers of 100 between which 271 lies. Is it between 0 and 100, or 100 and 200, or 200 and 300? Yes, learners, 271 lies between 200 and 300. Now, which number sits exactly between 200 and 300? Well, you got it right. It is 150. Now let us see where would be 271 on this number line. Keep trying, learners. Yes. I hope you have placed 271 in the second half of the number line. So, 271 is nearer to 300 than it is to 200. Yes, hence 271 to the nearest 100 is 300. Hence, we can say that there are about 300 animals in the zoo. Now, let us discuss rounding to the nearest 1,000. Well, this is an ice cream factory. The factory had produced 78,429 ice creams last month. Can you find the number of ice creams produced to the nearest 1,000? So learners, pause the video and give it a try. Yes, you are correct. If you got your answer as 78,000, let us see how. The nearest multiples of 1,000 for 78,429 are 78,000 and 79,000. Where 78,429 is nearer to 78,000 than 79,000. So 78,429 to the nearest 1,000 is 78,000. Yes. So today we have learned how to round numbers to the nearest 100 and 1,000. Let us practice some questions now. Round 16,745 to the nearest 10, B nearest 100 and C nearest 1,000. Yes, you're correct. If you got your answers as 16,750, 16,700 and 17,000, I hope that you have understood estimation really well. Now in the next video, we will learn how to estimate the outcome of number situations, that is estimating the sum, difference and the product. Till then, keep enjoying and have a great day ahead.